how to change or add card on Shein app. So if you want to change or add card on your Shein app, then what you can do is first you need to open up your Shein. Now once you open up your Shein, you just need to simply go with a product. And for example, I'll be choosing the first one. And after that, you need to go with add to cart, which is on the bottom. Now once you've added that to cart, you need to simply go with the upper right, which has that cart option. Tap on it and select the item. Tap on checkout, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And after tapping on checkout, you will get the payment options. So under your payment options, make sure that you've selected the payment option, which is credit or / debit card. Just simply tap on it and tap on continue. And after that, you will be able to have the payment method, right? So under your payment method, what you need to do, so you just need to simply add your card number, your CVV number, your expiry date and everything. And after that, you can just go and place your order. And this way you'll be able to change your card or add a card, or you can just simply go with the me option, which is on the bottom right. And here you can go with settings, which is on the upper right. And under your settings, you may have the add payment card method. You just need to simply go with add payment card or add payment method, and you'll be able to add your card on your Shein. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.